everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm back with another chicken recipe, and on my channel you may notice that I have some recipes that is flavored with delicious lemon, and I love lemons and I keep them around all the time. But for today's recipe I'm going to show you how to roast some chicken with delicious oranges with zest and juice. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And you guys, I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can go over there and subscribe and support it, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a delicious orange glaze, and I'm going to take this grater and I'm going to zest 2 large oranges. And then I'm going to slice both oranges and squeeze all that juice out of both of them. And once you're done, just add the zest to the orange juice. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then add 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Then add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And once that's done, just grab a whisk and mix everything together. Then you just want to set it to the side because I'm going to get started on the chicken. Now you can use either 4 or 6 pieces of chicken thighs or whatever chicken that you like, whatever part of the chicken that you enjoy the most. And you can see that I'm drizzling and brushing some olive oil on top. Now I'm ready to season the chicken, and you can see that I'm adding some chopped garlic, and I have some fresh rosemary, and I'm just going to chop it up and I'm going to sprinkle it on top. And I have a tablespoon of dried thyme, but if you have some fresh thyme, go ahead and use that as well. And of course you want to make sure that you season the chicken really well with some sea salt and some black pepper. And you just want to take your hands and rub everything in, and then you want to flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Now I've already sliced half of an onion, and I'm just going to go ahead and add the slices on top of the chicken. And to make sure that the chicken stays moist when you bake it in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and pour around a cup of chicken broth in the dish. And now you just want to brush each chicken thigh generously with that delicious orange glaze. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to start off by baking the chicken for 30 minutes. Hey guys, welcome to April Time, my new channel here on YouTube, and this is just my cozy corner of all things lifestyle. So join me as I share my love of simple everyday joys, from whipping up delicious home-cooked meals to my favorite skincare rituals that keeps me glowing. And the reason for this channel is just to share some productive days in my life and some really quick, simple recipes. So hit subscribe and let's spend time together. So after 30 minutes in the oven, you want to take the chicken out and grab some more of that orange glaze, brush it on top just to really enhance and intensify that orange flavor on the chicken. Put the chicken back in the oven and let it roast for another 30 to 40 minutes. And boom, just like that, the orange glaze roasted chicken is perfectly done. You know, chicken is one of my favorite meals to make, and I love bringing you guys recipes that is really simple and you can make any day of the week. And I've been really obsessed with thighs, but yeah, it's golden brown, it's really juicy, and that orange glaze just takes the chicken to a whole other level. You have to absolutely give it a try. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know, and don't forget to follow me on my new channel. It's April Time here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.